Are you tired of battling bathroom mold and soaring energy bills every winter? Imagine slashing both by up to 30% with a simple £13.99 solution from B&Q. But here's where it gets controversial. Can an aloe vera plant really outshine power-hungry dehumidifiers? Let's dive in. As the cold season sets in, steamed-up mirrors and that all-too-familiar musty smell signal the return of dampness. Families across the UK are scrambling for solutions, but traditional fixes often come with hefty price tags and ongoing costs. Enter the humble aloe vera plant, a budget-friendly, low-maintenance option that's gaining traction. But does it live up to the hype? Why winter dampness targets your bathroom? The culprit? Hot showers colliding with cold surfaces. This creates condensation, which lingers on grout and paint, fueling mold growth. For those with asthma or eczema, this can trigger uncomfortable flare-ups. Plus, tenants risk losing deposits if stains set in. Dehumidifiers are effective but expensive to buy and run, leaving many parents seeking simpler alternatives. The £13.99 aloe vera trend, hype or hero? Aloe vera, a hardy succulent known for its soothing gel, is now being hailed as a moisture-fighting ally. At just £13.99 from stores like B&Q, it's a fraction of the cost of a dehumidifier. But how does it work? Here's the science, made simple. Aloe vera stores water in its leaves, making it ideal for steamy bathrooms. It acts as a natural moisture buffer, reducing microcondensation on nearby surfaces like windowsills and tiles. While it won't replace a dehumidifier, placing one near a shower window can tip the balance in your favor against mold. And this is the part most people miss. It's not a standalone solution but a helpful addition to your damp-fighting toolkit. Where to place it for maximum impact? Windowsill or high shelf, position the plant near the shower plume, but keep leaves away from direct spray. Light, south or east-facing windows are ideal. Bright, indirect light works well in winter. Maintenance. Use a saucer to catch excess water and pair it with an open door post-shower to let moisture escape. How it stacks up against other solutions. Method: upfront cost, running cost, noise, best for, limits. Aloe vera plant, £13.99, none, silent, local condensation control, modest effect, needs light, not whole room. Electric dehumidifier, 150 to 300 pounds, 28 piece/kWh, low hum, whole room moisture control, power use, maintenance, space required. Extractor fan upgrade, 40 to 120 pounds plus fit, minimal, low, rapid steam removal, requires ducting, regular cleaning. Care tips for busy parents. Aloe vera thrives on neglect, perfect for packed schedules. Water sparingly, every 3 to 4 weeks in winter, use gritty cactus compost, and rotate the plant every 2 weeks to prevent lopsided growth. Pro tip: pair it with daily habits like squeegeeing tiles and running the extractor fan for 15 to 20 minutes post-shower. Health, safety, and realistic expectations. Keep aloe vera out of reach of pets and toddlers. Its sap can irritate if ingested. While it helps keep surfaces drier, it won't fix structural dampness. If you spot widespread mold, investigate leaks or poor ventilation. Bold question: is relying solely on a plant enough, or are we overselling its capabilities? Extra tactics to multiply the effect. Heat rooms steadily. Reduce cold surfaces where condensation forms. Dry towels fully. Avoid piling damp laundry in the bathroom. Monitor humidity. Aim for 40 to 60% with a 10 to 15 pounds hygrometer. Why families are buying now? At £13.99, it's a low-risk experiment with instant benefits: greenery, a less clammy bathroom, and a handy gel for minor burns. Parents love its set-and-forget nature. But is it a fad or a game-changer? Weigh in below. Would you try it, or do you prefer traditional methods? Go further with these combos. For renters, portable fixes like a plant, squeegee, and fresh fan filter are cost-effective and movable. Sharing a bathroom? A rota for cracking the window post-shower saves hours of scrubbing later. Controversial take: Could this simple plant be the first step toward a mold-free, energy-efficient home, or are we placing too much hope in its leaves? Let us know your thoughts. Agree or disagree? The comments are open for debate.